Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to draw an eraser, the old classic pink and blue eraser. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes, and we're going to look for our parallelogram. I'm going to round the corners. Just going to pull that in a little bit. All right, that's good. It's going to be the side view. Back in there. That's a little bit better. Shape fill format. I'm going to go gradient. And I'm just going to choose this one. Then I'm going to go into the shape styles, fill, and what I want to do is change this one to the pink. Probably better to go here. I'll take this one. That looks close. Okay, well, we're going to have to change the gradient direction to that. Goes to the left. And we want it to be more or less solid in the middle. We don't want any gradient changes. Just going to see if I can delete that. It's the position. Oh, okay. Well, look at that. That's the answer. Outline is too thick. I'll bring it down. And I don't want it to be blue. I want it to be a gray. Because I don't want it to, I want this to be sort of like the pure color. All right. And what else? You can probably pull this in a little bit, or even edit points. I want to pull that in a little bit there, like that. Put this one down. Okay, not too sharp. Brightness. Can change that. Not going to do anything else. Put a little bit of bevel on it. Okay, just take the regular one. That means we're going to go into the center icon, 3D format, and the width, I want to bring it down. Just want a little bit of it to stick out. Okay. Height as well. Go down for the height. Let's leave it at 3. Okay, what else? Go into material. I don't know what. Don't want to do that. Lighting. see, 0. Maybe something like that. I'm just curious what the blue will do. And the red. Oh, I like that. That's one of the styles. That's a good one too. That's how it was originally, which is nice. I'm going to copy this. Copy. And I'm just going to change the, not material, sorry, the lighting to, what was it, this one? And I'm going to copy it again. And change that to a lighter one. Okay, that one looks the most realistic, doesn't it? Okay. That's going to be our title page. Edit points. I'm still not happy with that curve. I want it in more. And okay. I'm just going to look at one last thing here. And that is the lighting. Let's go all the way here. That does nothing. Leave it at 0. Okay. Shape effects, shadow, like we always do. Let's give them all shadows. Shadow. Shadow. With this one here, you can see the outline's a little bit too red here. I don't want that. You know, you got to do it right. Shape outline. Okay, shape outline. Wait. That's at the low, or maybe no outline. Yeah, no outline for that one. This one. Shape outline. I'll leave it on this one. This one. Let's see, no outline. That's it. Thanks for watching.